What's going on, everybody? Matt Steinman here. Look, I've been getting this question a lot about TikTok. How am I driving traffic from TikTok over to my landing page and creating sales from that? So that's what I'm going to show you in this video very quickly. I'm going to jump on into my phone here. As you can see, I am logged into my phone here. Take note of this screen here. It's hard work, not luck. Of course, that's a quote from Gary V. It's a wallpaper on my phone. So let's jump into TikTok here. Very quickly, I'm going to click on the Me tab down in the bottom right. The first thing you want to do if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram is you want to add that to your profile. So you're going to click on the Edit Profile button. And then you can see down below, the last two lines are Instagram and YouTube. So that's where you want to add your, your handle for Instagram and your link to YouTube. If you don't have an Instagram, leave it blank. I have one, but I'm not very active on it. I'm more active on YouTube. So my main driver is getting people over to my YouTube channel. So as you can see in the bio here, I've created, 3 different lines using emojis. So that finger pointing up where it says learn the skills on pointing up YouTube, that points directly to the YouTube button in my profile. And once I click cancel here, you'll see what I'm talking about. But they'll look at that finger and look straight up right to the YouTube button. And then, create some other emojis. You are limited to 80 characters here. So be very strict on what you're saying there. You want people to get that. You want people to click on your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers on there. So I'm going to cancel out of there. I'm going to cancel out of this. So as you can see there, like I was saying, the finger pointing up to the left of YouTube there in my bio description is pointing straight up to the YouTube button. So you got to kind of align it properly. You might have to play with it a couple times, but that's a key factor in getting people to click. The other thing I do is to get people over to a landing page. First, you're going to need a URL shortener. I use Link Wizard. Some people use Bitly. There's a couple other ones out there that are, just as effective. Just make sure you're using a shortened link. So I'm going to come down here and click on this video I did yesterday that generated some commissions for me. So I'm not going to actually play the sound, but I'm going to click on the comments here. And inside the comments, you can see the second one down is a shortened URL where it has the HTTPS : it's lnkw.co/start-today. That is the link to my landing page where I want people to go. So inside the video, at the end, or in the middle, at the end, a little bit of both, tell them that there is a link down below in the comments to get started. And also what I like to do is you can create text over the videos inside TikTok, which is, one of the features there. And I like to create a little finger that also points to the comments. As you can see there, there's a just like that, link in the comments. Put an arrow over there so they know exactly what to click on. They'll click on the comments and see that link in there. But you want to make sure you need to mention it in the video. And what they need to do is copy and paste that link. They can simply hover over it and hit copy, and they're going to have to open it up in a browser window on their computer. So that's the method that I have been using to grow my channel. As you can see here, since last week, basically, since last Wednesday, I've had, let's see here, so over 160,000 views in the last 7 days, and that's including nothing on December 3rd, as you can see here, 14 views. So over the past 6 days, I've had 160,000 views. So something seems to be working right. Get a lot of questions around TikTok, so I thought I'd make this quick video. I'll make some more additional videos to, once I get more of a handle on TikTok and start gaining more traction. So hopefully that was helpful. If you guys have any questions about TikTok, let me know down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. See you soon.